Hello everybody, and thanks for coming back to the channel. Today we're at Beacon Fell, a country park near Preston in the north of England. We've walked from the visitor centre to the summit to see the far-ranging views out to the Irish Sea. This is the first of a series of 4 shots which show the view looking towards Morecambe Bay. The first shot looks west towards Fleetwood, and you can see the windmill near Natesby. The second shot pans further north towards Pilling and Glasson. The third shot pans a little further north again. The fourth shot pans further north. I've loaded all these images into Lightroom and use a photo merge plus Panorama tool to create a single panoramic image. This is what Lightroom's first pass looks like. For a first pass it's okay, but I want to crop the edges off slightly. To do this, I use the Lightroom Develop module and the Crop and Straighten tool. I didn't use a graduated filter for the skies, so the skies seem a bit too light and the land seems a bit too dark. This doesn't really matter for now, as I can correct this in Lightroom. To do this involves a multi-stage process in the Masks tool. Firstly, I click the Create New Mask tool and click the Select Sky option. After a few seconds, Lightroom has located the sky and highlighted it. I want to leave the lower part of the sky near the horizon largely unchanged, but I do want to selectively darken the top part of the sky. To do this, with the sky still selected, I click the 3 dots and then click the Intersect Mask with the Linear Gradient option. Now I've dragged the linear gradient down from the top and opted to darken the shadows and the blacks by 20. This has made the sky a little darker without it looking completely over the top. Now the sky is darker, but I still want to lighten the land, so I click the Create New Mask button and then select the sky and then click the Invert button. This has now selected everything which isn't the sky, and I've now opted to lighten the shadows and the blacks by 10. The overall scene still looks a little hazy, so I've opted to increase the Dehaze setting by 15 points. Also, I'd like a bit more colour, so I've increased the saturation by 10 points. Now, looking at the almost final image, there's a bit on the right hand side of the image that doesn't add very much, so I'll use the crop tool again to remove that. Each of the 4 original images was 5,472 pixels wide. Now they've been combined into a single image. This measures 11,787 pixels wide. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I created this panoramic image of the view from Beacon Fell. It's a great place to take a short walk in the countryside and has great views. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button and give our video a quick like. We'd really appreciate this. It really helps our channel. Thanks for watching.